Okay, it's a while since I did one of these. I'm pretty sure my head's out of shot. That's grand though. Okay, this is a Silver Crest kitchen tools blender review. I think it's like 20 something euro. Actually, I'll be making a shake with this. Hold on 2 seconds. I'm making a quick shake with this just to see how well it works. The unboxing. Okay. Now, Silver Crest manual. Huge and in lots of different languages as usual. Blender. That's it. Decent size. 1.75 litre. Grand. These cardboard can buy. So I'm trying to do this a bit quickly because I don't really want to make the video too long. There we go. But hey. Here is this bit. Okay, we appear to be missing a bit. The inside bit. Give me 2 seconds. There it is, sneaking in at the end of the box. Oh, cool! It's like, I don't know if you can catch that. It's actually got like a little measuring thing on it, up to 25 mils. There we go. So that goes on there. And it's got a lock bit on it. Which I've actually gone offline with. Okay, this is probably going to take a little bit of wearing in. There we go. Ooh. That is very... There we go, that's better. And this stuck to the table like a champ. One of the main reasons I got this was it was a standalone blender. Nice simple style on it, has ice crush. Ooh. Okay, that'll be interesting. Kind of means a bit of a hardcore blender. It is, how many watts did we say? And we didn't. Yeah, I can't read. Oh, 600 watts. It's not exactly very hardcore, but of course it's ice. It's not too bad. So we'll plug this in. Helps I get the plastic off this thing. Right. Now, power. Jeez, that is for. Okay. So clicks in. Perfect. Now take this off again. Excellent. Now what I'm actually making today is going to be my lunch. It's a liquid lunch. Because to be quite frank, I'm in a bit of a hurry. So this is free range egg whites. It's 500 mils in this. I want about 250. A few more is not going to make a difference. There we go. So 250 mils of egg whites. I should explain it's actually part of a high protein diet I'm on at the minute. A little bit of water. I've seen this done with crushed ice as well. I have to say, when it's ice cold, it tastes really nice. These egg whites on their own don't taste well at all. They're a weird taste to them. Should also mention that you can't actually eat raw egg whites unless they've been pasteurized. Otherwise you can have medical issues and all sorts of shit, and you won't digest the protein anyway. Let's see, just for kicks, we'll throw in a scoop of protein powder. Let's see how it mixes the protein powder, because that's usually a bit iffy. I'm going to throw in some creatine as well, just because I'm meant to be creatine loading this week. So loading, we have 2 scoops. Lots of powder in this will be interesting. And powder all over me. Right, so 600 watt silver Crest blender. Let's see how we get on. This lid is a bit fidgety. Okay. There. Okay, it has to go in from that side by the looks of it. Now, ready? Okay, I am doing okay, now. Right, let's see. Click. Here we go, it has to go in from this side. It looks it. Yeah. Excellent, that clicked in much better. So we'll start slow. That is a bit loud. Fuck! And the ice crush is violent. So yeah, very loud as far as blenders go, but if you don't have to run it for too long, you should be alright. Yeah, I really shouldn't have hit that ice crush. It's gone fucking everywhere. Okay, here's the truth. Is the banana blended properly? I'm not seeing any lumps, but I'm not at the end of it yet. A few little bits at the bottom, but I wouldn't be too worried about that now, because that's just little bits. Now, let's see. Gorgeous. So that was the Silver Crest 600 watt blender. Yeah, definitely worth the 25 odd quid. I think it's 26 quid. I'll have to get it off the fucking table. Very loud though. I will say very loud, but does what it says in the tin. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe.